The project is about bread supply chain prepared by Thazar, Matthias, John and Vothman, presented to lecturer Dr. Vitaya Saharadamrong at International College KMITL. Bread is made from wheat, where farm is prepared for sowing. After 3 to 4 months is harvested and wheat grain is transported for storage or for milling or converted in flour. Coinplus Bakery obtains here the flour after being graded for different use, and flour is converted to loaf or bread, then distributed to either retailer, wholesaler, consumer or final consumer. Here we discussed the whole bread value chain from end to end. It begins from farmers to millers, after to bakery, and finally delivered to retailers, wholesaler and consumers. Coinplus Bakery supply chain is viewed holistically, from the suppliers of wheat and flour to executive management who take care of procurements, production, engineering, products management, sales and order management, together with defining competitors and information technology until product is in hand of consumers. We designed our project supply chain by dividing into 5 elements, in which we begin by looking at impact and change to supply chain design and performance. Then supply chain techniques for competitive advantage. We also saw business modeling. We talked about bread business process modeling, BPMN 2.0, and finally, we analyzed our bread the whole supply chain management using Global Supply Chain Model, GSCF. We also identified 6 key trends causing significant impact and change to our supply chain design and performance. These are change to supply chain design and performance adopting a demand-driven model, globalization, increased competition and price pressures, outsourcing, shortened and more complex product life cycles, collaboration between stakeholders in the extended supply chain. Another element we paid attention is supply chain techniques for competitive advantage, and we analyzed supply chain techniques for competitive advantage, and here are: holistic thinking by producing products for global consumption, information technology adoption with automation systems, digitalization of business process, building the social-friendly platform for customization, and operating model adhered to demand-driven. Business modeling. After discussing element for competitive advantage, then here below is how we defined business model for all core activity as presented in BMC and school model for general view. Under this business model canvas, it shows all segment and core activity such as key activity, value proposition, customer segment. We also defined cost structure and how we'll get profit. We also paid attention to key partner, key resource, as you can see. Score model. Similarly, we used score model for evaluation and measuring key performance of our supply chain. Business process modeling using BPMN. The detail of each process is graphically discussed in business process modeling notation BPMN 2.0, as the figure below shows, all from holistic view supply chain from a strategic level to operational level up to where bread is delivered in hands of customers. After showing how we designed our project, Coinplus Bakery managed the whole supply chain by using Global Supply Chain Model, GSCF, using 8 business process. By beginning with an important element on customer relationship management, we used membership card for customer buying behavior, mobile app for product availability, discounts, automation system to build customer relation for ensuring their returns. Managing supplier relationship is considered so serious by Coinplus, and here we identified basic elements such as what to buy, where to buy, countries, and whom to partner, and also we considered the necessity of using VMS for dealing with supplier, and our partners are farmers and millers. And we sourced raw material, both primary, flour, yeast, salt, water, secondary, fats, emulsifiers, sugar, and milk products. We sourced our raw materials from India, Nepal, China and Thailand. Manufacturing is an important part for the Coinplus Bakery business, is termed as the heart of the business, thus need to include all necessary activities to obtain, implement and manage manufacturing flexibility in the supply chain, and to move products into, through and out of the plant. We identified the technology used and we set our processing unit at Industry 4.0, and looking to implement Lean 4.0 mainly we considered the technology used. Oven, cold storage, use of large mechanical equipment, an automatic processing unit and another element like Internet of Things, sensors, robot conveyors, smart freezers, mixers, fire-equipped and bakery logistics. It would also be important to manage the CSM importantly through keeping promise. We learnt on how to keep promise to our loyal customer and was done through how to present before our customer, service of service techniques. We built our platform using social media such as Facebook, Instagram and finally through design and have ambience. Under demand management here is all about balancing between customer requirements with the capabilities of the supply chain and synchronization with customer demand and production rates. Everything here is balancing of need between actual requirements and actual production capacity again at both strategic and operational level. We also checked on consumer behavior, their demographic profile, geographic profile and cytographic profile. Next, order fulfillment. Here is about coordination between necessary activities to design a network to enable the company to meet customer order while minimizing the delivered cost. This is so necessary, since within the organization under manufacturing must be able to act and perform as per customer request. Distribution done by use of third-party logistics, we considered in-house retail's delivery and outsourcing. Product development and commercialization. Here is about how to develop and to take a new product into the market, and these require coordination from within internal supply chain and external as well. It requires teamwork and actual realization for participants in the chain, since any failure is a loss to everyone in an organization. Return management. This is related to managing reverse logistics, where bread would be decomposed by end users, and we identified all possible opportunity to avoid returns. Returns can be caused by manufacturing mistake or occurs within the warehousing and also can be during transportation and needs to managed and agreed from this. Importantly, we saw is important to share with our automation system. Automating business process that used to be done manually is no longer effective for doing good business and use as a differentiator for competitiveness. Digitization means changing a process from manual to digital form, and digitalization goes beyond that was for the image it uses CAMs, cloud, analytics, mobile, social and security, which helps in decision management, connecting the Internet of Things (IoT) and smart machines to work in conjunction with humans to advance automation beyond standardization would like, and we identified the advantage of SAP in the next slides. Here is a diagram showing element of SAP. SAP Integrations. Gain of real-time insight into relevant platform based on latest technology and innovative approach. Integrated platform to help provide streamlined sales, financial and other business processes. Check inventory and outstanding invoices in real time. Evolution, simplification and orchestration. From up to new workload, LOB, analytics. From batch to real-time, HANA. From on-premise to cloud or hybrid. From bespoke to standard. From heterogeneous to simplified. From 1,000 users to billion users. Core benefits of Industry 4.0. Innovation, agility, compliance and security, risk mitigation, cost saving. Asante. Thank you for your attention.